Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today the video is all about 3 simple hairstyles that you can carry on for your work, and this is a very easy hairstyle, so don't judge me guys. So this is supposed to be easy and nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm taking a part of my hair and making it as a braid. Next I'm trying to loosen up this braid a little bit just to make it easier for the further use. And then what I'm doing is I'm just putting 2 fingers in between my braid and taking a portion of my front hair, pulling it in between those braids. You can make as many portions as you like, so I have just made it as 3 just to make it really simple. And these are the 3 portions I made in the front. I'm trying to do the same and putting fingers in between the braids and pulling it again. After this is done, I'm trying to tuck it at the back with the help of a bobby pin. So it's your wish, either you can leave your hair like this or you can just put a side pony. This will look really nice and very chic, very sassy. So the next hairstyle is a messy ponytail at the back. So what I'm going to do, I will just gather up all my hair and make it as a ponytail, and trying to pull few hairs at the top just to make it a little bit more messier, and it adds a little bit poof at the top. Messier, you can brush your hair upwards as well just to give that nice messy look. So this is what it is. So next what I'm going to do is I'll be braiding this ponytail, and I would like to keep this braid a little bit messier. I don't want it to be like a firm full neat braid. I would like to have messy braid and few hairs at the front. So these hairstyles are quite simple guys, but when it is done it will make you look really polished and look more beautiful. So try this hairstyle guys, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the like. See you in my next video.